and I'm from Jamaica, out of the parish of St. Thomas in Bath, you know. And they say coolant is the stimulant for the earth condition. Looking for the perfect beat. Hey, hey, hey. Looking for the perfect beat. I'm looking for the perfect beat. You know, we travel all over the world and try to do the reggae music as it should, you know, and letting the people feeling the message, you know. I think that California is taking reggae on the heights, you know. They love it, you know. They come out in their thousands, you know, to participate in a good thing, you know. And California is a pretty nice place, you know, very beautiful. People come out to see the Wailers because it's a sound that will never die. The baby that are born now, they're gonna come up and they're gonna hear these songs, you know, they're gonna love them, you know. These songs not gonna die. They live for eternity, infinity, you know.
I'm here because I like reggae, and this is my first reggae concert.
All the way from Kingston, Jamaica, the Wailers.
The inspiration comes through the Rastafari surrounding, you know, that I was in, you know, in the hills, you know, burning marijuana, you know, keep giving thanks and praise to the Most High, you know, and it also comes through from Bob Marley. It's like my destiny. It's just in my blood, the music, you know. It's like I born with it, you know.
It's a blessing and a curse. I love Bob, and you know, so it's like Bob and the Wailers. Still can't get enough of Bob, so I haven't followed the Wailers as much as I should. But when I first found out about the jam, I was considering it. I was like, yeah, sure. And then he told me the Wailers were going to be here, and that's what sealed the deal.
The perfect beat, you know, is always, you know, been Jah beat, you know, the Most High beat, you know, and it's the heartbeat. Boop, 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 you know, the heartbeat, you know, that's Jah perfect beat, you know, and it's in all of the songs, you know, that preach reality.
I'm a